What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm not going to try to sound too excited right now because I am very, very pissed off. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know what happened, but the Evo got broken into last night here at the apartment. So I came out this morning to grab my, this is going to sound dumb, to grab my camera out of here to start editing a video. Opened up the driver's side and noticed all the glass on the seat. And then, yeah, I come over to the side, windows on the ground, clearly busted out. So the things they took were my A7R2, my Sony camera, my whole vlogging setup, and that's not even the thing that pisses me off. The thing that pisses me off is they took my goddamn double pumper. So my Walbro, my two Walbro 450s on the hanger. It's like a $1,000 setup. That is what's bugging me the most. I also did have a DeWalt impact down there for when I put my hood on yesterday. You guys aren't ever gonna see that footage now because it was on my camera that I got stolen. But yeah, I got the hood on. I was gonna go get it wrapped today and do some fuel pump stuff, but clearly I don't have a fuel pump to install anymore. So yeah, they took the double pumper, camera with Sony lens, microphone, and DeWalt impact. I didn't notice anything up here that was gone. I know my car's a disaster right now, but GoPro is still there. They could have probably took the radio out of here. Everything else is still here. I'm not all that mad that my camera's gone, mainly because I feel so stupid for leaving it in my car. I always take it out of my car every night. That's like obviously it's not something you should leave in a car. The fuel pump though is what is really pissed me off, because I feel like just a random person wouldn't take a fuel pump. You know, I just have a weird feeling, a weird vibe that it's someone that follows me, maybe doesn't like me for whatever reason, and knows car parts, and they decided to take the fuel pump. They know it's an expensive setup. So I'm not going to let that shit get me down today. I have a lot of shit going on right now. It's Thanksgiving's tomorrow, so you're probably watching this on Thanksgiving Day. So happy Thanksgiving to everyone out there. I'm going to go pick up a new camera right now. I'm going to head over to Best Buy. I think there's some sort of Black Friday deal going on. So it's like $200 off of a camera. I was going to buy a new one anyway, so I'm going to go pick it up right now. And then I'm going to go try to find a window, get the window in, head over to Elko Tint Shop. Hopefully you can get it tinted. Yeah, let's head to Best Buy, see if I can find a good deal on a camera. I think they're like $1,800 still. It's a lot of freaking money that I didn't want to spend right now, but yeah, let's get her done. I already did file a police report. I called the crime check, got all that filed. Car insurance, it doesn't cover stuff that gets, say if your car's broken into, it's not going to cover anything that was stolen out of the car. If I didn't just run over that glass and throw it in my tire, I should probably pick it up. So they'll cover the window, but I went to go file a claim, and even trying to get their window replaced, they were still trying to charge me $220. I can get a new window for like $100 and just go put it in myself, have Elko tint it. And then I was gonna say something else. What was I gonna say? This did happen at the apartment. Bobby's car is usually always in the garage. We have been keeping this Evo in the garage recently up until last night, just because I got a hood back on the car. I didn't want it to rain throughout the night and a bunch of water go into my intake. So this is the first night this Evo was outside, and the very first night it stays outside, it gets fucking broken into. We do have renter's insurance, so I don't know if we're gonna cover anything that was taken. So I just got to Best Buy. It looks like they're still closed. It's currently 9 o'clock, they open at 10, so I have to hold off on grabbing a camera for now. I apologize for the shitty footage on my phone, but I think I'm gonna go run. I'm gonna try to go find a window right now in the meantime until before Best Buy opens, and then we can head down to Elko and get that thing tinted. So let's go try to find a window for the car. I know there's a shop here locally that has a Lancer window, and they say it's the same as Evo, and then some people online say it's different than Evo. So I'm not exactly sure if it's the same or different. I'm gonna swing by there. I know like the shape of the window is the same chassis, same everything, but people online are saying that the Lancer window is actually thicker and heavier than the Evo window, which I don't care if it's heavier, but if it's thicker, it's not really gonna ride in the tracks all that well, or maybe not fit at all. So yeah, I'm gonna head over there and see what they have. Come through. It's a little windy out. I called in earlier about a rear window for a 08 Lancer.
I can do some checking. I'm gonna make an educated guess.
Awesome. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Take care. Alright guys, we just left the wrecking yard. I picked up the window. I'm gonna head down to Elko right now. I don't know, I'm gonna head to Best Buy right now, grab the camera, grab a new lens, grab a new memory card. Another thing that is really bugging me is I had a whole video planned for today, and it was all on my camera. I was gonna go edit it, and now I don't have a video. So that kind of sucks when you lose content. It really bugs me. I'll kind of show you guys what we did. I did a bunch of carbon fiber stuff in the Evo. So we did that carbon fiber right there, carbon fiber on the steering wheel. I tried to put a steering wheel wrap on the car, and it wasn't working, so I threw that in the garbage. And then a carbon fiber thing up there. But yeah, that's pretty much all we got done. I picked up that window, and yeah, like I said, head to Best Buy, grab the camera, head down to Elko, get it tinted, and we'll be on our merry way. We just gotta find a new double bumper setup. Clutch slip. Find this thing. We just got the new camera set up, and we just also got to Elko Tint Shop. This is a really nice camera. It's the A7 III, some I've been wanting for quite a while. There is no microphone on it right now, so I apologize for the shitty audio. Oh fuck, it's all inside my door. Did you hear that when I closed it?
Yeah, it's all inside. Ooh, man, that's bad. Oh, it's a tent.
Hopefully it's just in the tent, yeah.
We'll turn it around.
It's pretty shitty looking. What do you think? Hopefully it's in the tent.
Yeah, there's a few right here. No, it's not bad, because if it's scratched and we'll put tent on, it's going to act like a backsplash. It's going to be even more scratched.
Yeah.
But
Well,
it's just a tent.
dope.
We'll take it off.
Sounds good. All right, so we're gonna be putting a new window in the car. It's 20%, right? 20% tint?
Yeah.
Dope. 20% tint on that window, and then we're gonna be doing a legal tint on the windshield.
For heat rejection.
Yeah, heat rejection.
Yeah, 85% heat rejection.
You guys need that shit. It's so nice. And then we're also gonna be putting all the sponsors on the side of the car, and I'm kind of thinking right below the mirror, and we're gonna do light cam or dark cam on the side, or dark gray.
Dark gray, or we can just do reflective black on both sides. At night, it's going to look really awesome, that color.
You think?
Yeah.
I think we should do light or the gray on one side, and then
Dark gray here, light
gray on the other side.
So
Yeah.
like opposite.
Yeah, that looked dope.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we got all the glass pulled out of the door. There was a bunch of glass down in there, and we are gonna throw the new window in, and then have Alex, my man right here, tint it. Was it scratched at all, or was it just a tint?
It's good, yeah.
Yeah, it
I
looks
took off all the tint, cleaned
It's
it.
actually Mitsubishi glass too. Looks like it fits just fine, dude.
Yep, now I have to just get into this channel.
Oh, there's glass in there. We should probably get that out.
And do you need a tool? Don't scratch your hand.
Come on, Alex. You do this for a living, bro.
I don't replace glass, man. I've done it a few times, yeah.
And I just noticed this is right here as well, guys. Look at that. They fucked up the trim of the window. So I wonder, they probably use a screwdriver or something, don't you think? To like try to pry it open? I don't know how they did that. All right, we got this back window done. It looks absolutely amazing. And now they're gonna do the windshield. So you said this is like 85% heat rejection?
Yeah, 85% heat rejection.
85. That is gonna look good. Same exact tint that is on the FRS for the windshield. Oh yeah, that looks so good, dude. So we just got all of the windshield tinted. We did the windshield strip and then the back window, and it's looking absolutely amazing, guys. Check this out. It looks so dark when all the windows are closed. That's perfect. Transfer that, put tape on there. That's gonna look sick. That looks way better with that windshield, bro. Yeah. Way better. Hell yeah, guys. That logo looks so sick. We're all finished up here at Elko Tint Shop. Like always, if you're in the Spokane, Coeur d'Alene area, come hit up my boys over here at Elko. Do you want me to link your YouTube? Are you gonna be uploading on YouTube? I ain't gonna link it.
I have 2 new videos that I did about SEMA. They're on there, and I'm gonna have a rapping video.
Alright.
How to change your snowboard and stuff. So yeah, I'm
dope.
working on a few things.
It'll be up in the top right-hand corner. Go check out his YouTube channel. What are you at right now? How many subs?
Dude, I'm like over 500.
Get him to 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah,
at least.
It's only 500.
We gotta get Alex to at least 1,000. So go check out his channel. If you like it, subscribe. So I got some messages, and some people said that you were the one who stole my shit. What do you gotta say about that?
Why am I always eating? I'm gonna put that away. My coworker said the same thing.
So you did. Can I have my stuff back, please? Mainly my fuel pump. I just want my fuel pump back. I was gonna put it in today. Can I have it? Or do you have it, huh?
Coda has it. No, I would have given it back by now. Did people actually say it was me?
I think 2 people out of like 100.
I couldn't go that far with a joke.
That's what I was saying earlier. I highly doubt you would do that.
No.
Unless you got $100 for my window, then I don't care. I'm gonna get you back. Don't worry.
It wasn't me.
You know, guys, after thinking about this whole situation for a minute, I do got to give a huge shout out to Elko Tint Shop. They literally dropped everything they were doing, got my car in, got the window replaced, tinted, got my windshield tinted. So there's not many shops, not many homies that'll stand behind you like that when you are going through a rough patch, going through some shit. There's not many people that'll do that. So yeah, huge shout out to Elko. Alex, if you're watching this, thank you, my man. I really, really appreciate you taking the time out of your day today to get my car in there, get it done. I'm gonna end up this video right here. We're gonna go home and I'm gonna be starting to wrap my hood tonight for the Evo. So starting that tonight, I'll probably finish it up in the morning, and then tomorrow's Thanksgiving. So if I can get it done by tomorrow midday before we go to Bobby's parents get together, we should be good to go. Also, if anyone has a good used double pumper with 450s for an Evo 10 that you want to sell, shoot me a DM on Instagram or drop a comment down below with your Instagram, and I'll get a hold of you. I don't feel like paying another $1,000 for a setup. So if you have a setup, let me know. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was not the best vibes in the world. I don't even want to end up my video now. I'm getting sad. But I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.